Wait, don't scroll. We found an abandoned luxury property. And trust me, you need to see what happens at the end. The moment we stepped inside, we realized this wasn't an ordinary abandoned house. Look at this place. And don't leave yet, because it gets crazier.
And if you haven't supported the channel yet, please support us now. It really helps us keep creating these amazing house discoveries for you. Now, let's continue, because you definitely don't want to miss what comes next. Even the second bedroom looks completely finished, but the next room is the one you absolutely cannot miss. Custom cabinets, a massive island, luxury finishes, all inside an abandoned property. But wait until you see the bedrooms. Watch closely. The dining table separates and begins to transform, revealing just how cleverly this house was designed. Honestly, who builds a dining room like this inside a property that would eventually be abandoned? Look at this bathroom, a luxury bathtub, beautiful marble, and a massive glass shower. But then we notice something. Door inside the bathroom. Look at this. It leads straight outside to the property. And when we turned around, there it was. The same incredible mansion. The same beautiful gate. The surrounding buildings. Everything connects.